Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to buy Premier League tickets online, and you can actually do this without membership, although if you would have a membership you would get first in line. But this tutorial will be quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video. Now, in order to do this, you want to go ahead to premierleague.com, and after that you're going to hold your mouse right there and click on tickets. After that, you will be redirected to this page where you can go ahead and choose a team. So for example, for today, let's choose this one, and you want to click on club tickets. After that, you will be redirected to this page. And after that, scroll down and you will see an option how to buy tickets. So click learn more. Now you're going to choose what type of matches you want to see. So for example, men's tickets. And as you can see, this is the important information. You only should buy from official sellers. So to buy on tickets page right there, or you can also use official resellers. So we can go ahead and click buy tickets here, and also click on sellers, on official sellers. So you will see all of these. This is where you can go ahead and buy from resellers. If you want to buy it from here, you're gonna go ahead and, for example, choose view tickets. So for example, you can go ahead and choose this one, which is on sale now, if it's not sold out already, and that's how you can go ahead and buy your tickets on Premier League. If this video was helpful, guys, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.